Days like this are what we're in the game for. Fantastic game. Cardiff played a big part in it. Just really pleased to win it. You know, we came really close last year, but we lost out to Cardiff Met. But you know, girls played well today to the end, and I think we deserved it. We're a growing team, and the girls put so much hard work in. I think they've had their just reward today.
I said before the game, no matter what happened today, we'd be proud of what we've achieved this year and from where we've come from the start of the season. I think we turned the corner in the new year, but today just wasn't enough. If we can keep the majority of these girls together, then we'll contend for some silverware next year.
Going into half time at 3-1, I think the girls knew we have to keep it up, so they're going to come back out fighting, and they did well. We didn't, done it for the badge. So we've all been working hard in training, and it's good to get the reward at the end.
Best feeling goes after last final as well, when we could have won, and then to come here today and beat Cardiff in the final is even better, as a derby game as well. So yeah, amazing feeling.
So who scored the best goals out of the two of you?
Oh, I think I came in.
Oh no!
And
No,
just how good is this Swansea team? Can you go on and win more medals?
Yeah, definitely. We're a young team now, so we push on again now for next season. Hopefully then we can go Champions League next year.
And so what's the target? Is it to win the league next year and the cup?
Yeah, win them all.
All three. Win them all.